Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm The Natural One and this is another one-stop watch video. You guys, look at my mint trying to go to flower. A part of me wants to let it go so that way I can at least have seeds for the near future, but the other part is like, I don't think so, you know? Overall, the mint looks good. Now you guys, let's talk about this rosemary. It's a complete failure. I changed the water every day and it lasted longer than before, but it still died, you guys. I don't know. You guys, let's talk about this corn, okay? This is week 15 corn in a crate, okay? The video footage did it no justice, so I said, you know what, let me just do some still shots so that way you can get a better view, but overall the corn is good. I'm not sure the tassel air was pollinated, but this is what I have, you guys. You tell me. Moving on to the mystery seed. You guys, I believe that the mystery seed female flower has been pollinated. I am 98% sure that I believe I know what this is, but I'm not going to know for sure until the flower is pollinated and it produces. So yeah, until then it's still going to be a mystery. You guys, for the first time, I decided to grow potatoes. In addition to garlic, which I had grew before, I had no success, but I'm going to try it now in a bigger pot. I'm just showing you the shoots from the potatoes so you won't be looking at a pot of dirt. I am going to cover it up, but let's get into the seedling. Zucchini failed. I had no success, but the good thing is that I replanted some more seeds. This watermelon been hanging in there, so I'm just showing you the flower, although I haven't seen the female flower yet. Now let's get into the radishes that I plan on showing a video of how I'm going to harvest the seeds, but that's it. Now moving on to my struggling cauliflower that's been eaten to stem once again. Moving on to the herb garden, which I am letting the lettuce go to seed so that way I can harvest the lettuce. The herb garden consists of lettuce, spinach, kale, and thyme. Moving right along to the tower, which consists of different types of peppers and eggplants. I'm so excited about my habanero peppers, you guys, even though it's not hot to me no more, but I still love the taste. Up next is the tomato and onions in one crate and the tomato and basil in another crate. You guys, it took me 19 weeks to get a ripened tomato. Can you believe that? You guys, look what I found. Another cucumber grown. I had success with cucumbers this year, so I am not complaining. And I harvest another cucumber. Warning you guys, the spider is up next. Should I kill it or not? I'm afraid if I do kill it, I'm going to get pests. If I don't kill it, I'm going to be grossed out. If you made it this far in the video, consider subscribing. But this is it, you guys. I want to give a special shout out to my subscribers. Thank you guys so much for supporting me. Subscribe to be part of the YouTube fam. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, click here.